Looking for an AI-powered video editor that's powerful, easy to use, and built for creators of all levels? Welcome to Filmora VEO 3, the latest version of Wondershare Filmora, packed with revolutionary features that take your editing to the next level. In this video, I'll walk you through the new tools, AI features, effects, and a hands-on demo, so you can decide if Filmora VEO 3 is the right fit for your creative workflow. Let's get started. Launch Wondershare Filmora on your Windows or Mac system. On the home screen, you'll find a top menu bar. Click on Toolbox to access Filmora's advanced AI tools. Start a new project from the main dashboard. Go to Stock Media, then click on AI Media. Here, you will see two options. You need to click on the Image to Video option. With this option, today, we'll create a video in VEO 3 style. After clicking on it, you'll need to import your image and write a prompt. A powerful lion strides across the golden savanna, his mane rippling in the hot breeze, dust rising beneath each heavy step. The late afternoon sun casts long shadows across the cracked earth as dry grass sways under a sky streaked with fire-orange clouds. The prompt is a bit long, but you can write the prompt however you like, depending on the kind of video you want to make. Now, you just need to click on Generate. After that, your video will start generating here with music. If you don't know how to write a prompt, you can take help from ChatGPT. Next, if you want to add a frame at the start or end of the video, then import an image accordingly and add a prompt. After clicking on Generate, your video will be created. Now, for the reference video, you need to import 3 images here. Then, write a prompt accordingly and click on Generate, and your video will be ready here. Now that your footage and edits are in place, let's bring everything to life with transitions, visual effects, and captions. To add a transition, head over to the Transitions tab on the top menu. You'll find hundreds of professional-looking transitions like dissolve, slide, warp, and more. Just drag and drop your favorite transition between 2 clips on the timeline. Next, jump to the Effects tab to enhance your visuals. From cinematic overlays to glitch effects, Filmora gives you a wide range of creative tools. To add captions or titles, go to the Titles tab. Choose from lower thirds, openers, or animated text, and place them exactly where you need on the timeline. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to preview your final video. Watch carefully for any timing issues, audio syncing, or visual tweaks you may want to adjust.
Banana smash! Speedo! Banana! Me no share banana.
When everything looks perfect, let's export the final video. Click on the Export button in the top right corner. Here, you'll get multiple options. Save as MP4, MOV, MKV, or even animated GIFs. Choose resolution up to 4K, adjust bitrate or frame rate. Add custom file name and save location. And the best part? You can upload directly to YouTube, Vimeo, or burn to DVD if needed. Just click export, wait for rendering, and you're done. And that's a wrap. Ready to see your words come to life? Download Filmora 14 and try the powerful AI idea-to-video feature today. Don't miss these exclusive benefits when you download using the link in the description. Complete registration and get 3 days of free watermark-free export. Launch the software and receive 100 AI credits. Export your first video and unlock another 100 bonus points. Try it yourself and experience the future of video editing. Smarter, faster, and more creative.